Hello, my name is Ecouia. I'm the founder and creator of Silky Sacks, and I'm coming to you today with another hair tutorial. So I do a lot of protective styling. Usually I wear wigs. I also do a lot of crochet braids, and I've had a ton of different styles of crochet braids, but this by far is my favorite. It is the Freetress large box braid. They are braided singles, as you can see. You guys, I love these because number one, they're braids, which I love. They're all the same size, the same blend, and the great thing about it is you can get this braided look, and it doesn't take the time that we all know it takes to usually braid our hair. So I don't do my own crochets. I'm not that gifted, but I am lucky enough to have had my crochet and my braider agree to let me film her doing these crochet braids. So in a minute, I'm gonna go over to her house. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and we're gonna film her and show you her technique of how she does these crochet braids. And it's really amazing because most people think that these are just plain old regular singles, but they're not. They're actually crochet braids. I will put the link down below of where you can purchase these crochet braids, and they come in 3 different sizes. I like the large, but they also come in medium and small. So in a minute we'll get to that, but first Kylie, her daughter, wants to tell you something.
Comment down below and see the sticky socks.
So go ahead and do exactly like Kylie said. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like it if you're watching us on Facebook, and make sure you share and comment below. So without further ado, let's get into how you too can rock you some crochet braids. Make sure your hair is washed and your scalp is clean. Then braid your hair back into cornrows. Once your cornrows are complete, I recommend you oil your scalp. This will help to keep your hair and scalp moisturized underneath the crochet braids. I forgot my oil, so we missed that step. Since my hair is long, she's going to sew the ends back into the braids and hide my hair underneath the crochet braids. Her technique is to braid the ends of the cornrows into one big braid that she's going to sew back into the cornrows. She's using the weave needle and thread. You can also sew each individual braid up into the cornrows. If you use this technique, sew the big braid down to get it as flat as possible so the crochet hair can lay as flat as possible. Here's a picture of the back of my crochet braids finished. All the styling tools and hair that are used in the video can be found at your local beauty supply or on Amazon. As you see, there's a hole at the top of the braids. You place the hole into the crochet needle and pull the latch down. Now it's ready to be sewn into the cornrows. Here's the crochet hair Freetress Box Braid. I have large box braids in the color 1B. This style does come in different sizes and colors. We used around 7 packs of hair. She starts in the back and moves from left to right, crocheting the box braids into the cornrows. As you can see, the braids are coming along nicely. They are super neat and they look just like singles. I use mousse on them to minimize the frizz and lay down the hair as time goes on. I also wrap my hair up at night and sleep in a silk scarf. I usually wear the crochets for 7 weeks. Now ta-da! I have large box braids in a few hours instead of 8. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you see how simple crocheting really is. If you know how to braid, then you can definitely do them yourself, or you can do like I do and go to someone else and have them go ahead and give you the crochet braids. Thank you so much for watching, and like we say at Silky Sacks, better care is better wear.